These are instructions on how to access the files your students have worked on in the computer lab from your iPad. From any of these iWork apps, Keynote, Pages, or Numbers, you can click on them, and if you're in the presentation, for example, if you were reading something or learning something, you go into the top right-hand corner and go back to your presentations. To access the files, you click on the plus sign in the top left-hand corner. From here, you can see you have choices to copy to iTunes, or from iTunes, iDisk, or WebDAV. For CCS, we'll be using WebDAV. When you're connected to this, you'll see the address at the top. That's called an IP address, but this is the list of student folders and grades, and you can go by grade, say 4th grade, and then you have a list of students. You select the student, and then you have the list of files. From here you see there's a PowerPoint presentation. You can open up the PowerPoint presentation and it will download it onto the iPad into Keynote. Once it is open, the student can make changes. If this warning comes up, it just means that it was missing some fonts. That's perfectly fine. Just say done. The student can update the file from this presentation from Keynote, and they can copy it to their folder again. So you do that by going to the tools, this wrench up here at the top, clicking on it, going into share and print, and then copy to WebDAV. There are 3 options here. If your student is going to continue to update this file in Keynote only, they can use Keynote. If they don't want to make any more changes to it, they can copy it into a PDF, or if they want to update it in the lab, they can select the PowerPoint option. So in this case, I'm going to select the PowerPoint option because the student is going to update it in the lab. So again, I have the options here. I go down to the right grade, and then I can select the person, and then I can just copy that into their folder. In this case, this is taking a moment to load. Once they're there, you see the name of the folder, you see the name of the document, and then you just press copy. That is it.